more subtle, like the lace collar, or you can try, with a few studs. So you can do a collar with like a little embellishment on the sides. You also get these collar holders. They get pinned to the edges of your collar, and they're gold in color. A lot of the times, I urge you to have to pick up and try things on. When they're lying on the table or they're lying in your wardrobe, you can't tell how it's going to look.
A bad hair day are cute hair clips. You get really cute flower clips and hair bands and pins and stuff like that. Somewhat they know. They just need some kind of structure and some kind of guidance to, how to put things together and what is working for them, what colors are working for them. So that's where I kind of come in. I style a lot of celebrities, which kind of mainly includes, just to give you a background, is Sonam Kapoor, Katrina. Everybody of course has a very different, personality and stuff. So I have to dress them according to what they like, what they don't like. These are the most important things I have to keep in mind. It kind of may have started from the West and now it's come here, and everybody's become slightly more particular about how they look and how they want it, whether they're going for a party, whether they're going to the office, whether they're going for an event, whatever it is. So that's basically what I do. I put things together for people, and I think styling to an extent really helps in your self-confidence. And when it does help in your self-confidence, makes you happier, a happier person. So it's kind of like a pyramid.